Hello everyone. Let's solve problem C from the weekly contest 381. So it is an extension version of problem A. So if you haven't solved the problem A, try to solve the problem A first and then you can come and solve this problem. First, let's understand the problem statement here. You are given a string word containing lowercase English letters. In problem A, is told that it will be distinct integers, distinct lowercase English letters. Here we can have multiple lowercase English letters. And there is a telephone keypad have keys mapped with distinct collections of lowercase English letters, which can be used to form words by pushing them. For example, the key is mapped with ABC, and we need to push the key one time to type A. To type A, we need to push two once. If we want to type B, we need to push two twice. If we want to type C, we need to push two three times. So this is a old model Nokia phone we can consider. And if you want to chat something, you need to click that button twice, thrice, or four times. Maximum you can click four times for 9 and 7. And he's saying that it is allowed to remap the keys numbered from 2 to 9 to distinct collection of letters. And he's saying that we can remap it. For 9, it is mapped with WXYZ. And for 9, I can map ABC. Anything I can map to any integer. And the mapped letter, the mapped English letter needs to be mapped with only single integer. Now for 9, we are mapping A, and A cannot be mapped with any other integers. You need to find the minimum number of times the key will be pushed to type word string. If I want to type complete word, how many times you need to push the string. Return the minimum number of pushes needed to type word after remapping the keys. First we need to remap it, then we need to find the minimum number of pushes. So this is not the most efficient way because every time we need to change the keypad, so it is not recommended. But the problem is asking. An example mapping of letters to key on telephone keypad is given below. Note that for 1, star and 0 and dash, we cannot map the letters. So we can ignore this for keypads. Now if you see first example, we have A, B, C, D, E. If I want to place A, B, C, D, E, I have mapped with A, B, C, D and E. So but if I push each cell one time, then it's enough. Now let's say this example, we have X, Y and Z. Now X is occurring 4 times, Y is occurring 4 times, Z is occurring 4 times. X, Y, Z, here we mapped with 2, 3 and 4. If I click this cell, second cell once and third cell and fourth cell once, then it's enough. So it will be 4, 4, 4, which is 12. Now let's say this example for better understanding. Now we have A is occurring twice, B is occurring twice, till H they are occurring twice, and for I it is occurring 6 times. Now if you see, if you want to minimize it, then my highest frequency, my highest bit, my highest frequency English letter should occur first, right? Because multiplying this with 1 is very less compared to multiplying this with 2. If I want to get I as my integer, and it is mapped with something which has A and I, 2 is mapped with A and I, then I need to get I need to press 2 times, I have to push it 2 times, then it will be 2 into 6, 12, which is not optimal. To make it optimal, we need to make I and A, I and A. I think you have got it. So that's why for I we will give one step. For I we will give one step. How many for how many distinct characters you can give one step? For 8 distinct characters you can give one step. From 7 to from 9 to 16 you can give 2, and from 17 to and 24 you can give 3, and for 25 and 26 it should be 4. So for I, so I will sort this based on my frequency, and after sorting for 1 to 8, for 1 to 8 elements I will multiply with 1, then from 9 to 6 I will multiply with 2, from 7 to 24 I will multiply with 3, then I will multiply with 4. So let's see the coding part. So before going into the coding part, try this for some time. So if you couldn't able to solve, then you can come and watch the coding part. If you are watching video till here, so I think you can solve this. You can code by yourself. So let's see the coding part. Now we are taking the map which will calculate the frequencies. So m of I plus plus. So we will get every frequency of every character. Then we are taking a vector and we are pushing every frequency. Every frequency we are pushing into the vector and we are sorting in descending order. Descending order because my maximum frequency should multiply with minimum step with a minimum push. So from here I is equals to 1, I less than v dot size. If my I is less than or equals to 8, I am adding answer is equals to answer plus v of I minus 1. If my I is greater than 8 and less than or equals to 16, then I have to multiply with 2. Then I have to multiply with 3, and if it's greater than 24 I have to multiply it 4, and we have to return the answer. So if you want to generalize these statements, instead of writing this many if else condition, you can generalize it with answer equals to answer plus v of I minus 1, because we are starting with 1. If we are starting with 1, I minus 1, and I minus 1 divided by 8 plus 1. If you're starting with 0, then it will be v of I into I by 8 plus 1. So you can use any of this. You can follow this or you can follow this. Anyhow, you will get the same answer. So here my time complexity will be, we are sorting and we are using maps. So sorting will take n into log n, and we are using extra space map, so it will be order of n. I think you have got it. So if you understood it, please do like, and if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe. And I have created a WhatsApp community, so you can check that community in the description. So if you join that community, we will discuss various problems from the LeetCode and various data structures and algorithm problems. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.